videotaping.
She's videotaping the same thing you're watching.
Hi, you guys. Hi.
You're not even...
Hey, you guys. I like you very, very much. Hi.
Ralphie, watch the fireworks.
Ralphie.
I look like Joseph.
Ooh, look at, I love when they go off all like crazy, you know.
Like they're doing now?
Uh-huh. My favorite.
Ooh, because then the popping noise at the end. And then it makes that big black smoke.
A lot of black smokes in the sky. Ooh. Why are they so much prettier with our own eyes than with an electronic device? It's probably a good thing then, right?
Yeah, because nothing can capture the beauty of this moment.
Ralphie, he asked nicely, please. You comfortable?
It's better this way.
Oh, really?
Yeah.